Well, when I continue in DRC, obviously I I graduated at university, I get to go to the bar. And then there was another situation through the bar when they were saying, every student who finish this year, because they come to in the reef of civil war, you have to go to do your prestation inside the country, not in the big cities. So my aunt says, okay, I don't have anywhere to take you. I don't know, I have any friend to put you in the next town where you can go to get your internship to become a lawyer. You have to find your own ways. Again, with my own determination, I decided to go on that place where my aunt was not there, my family was not there. I was on my own in the city, knowing nobody, only to complete my internship to become a lawyer and to be able to press in the bar. So I went through all this determination of, if I have studies, why can I not become what I want to become? So I studied to become somebody. But if at the midst of becoming what I want to become, I have to give up, it doesn't make sense though. I have to go to the end. So I eventually managed to get to the bar and starting to campaign for human rights in DRC. I remember the first time I came to the situation where I was doing a study on the field and I went to the poorest area of Kinshasa when I saw a baby of 3, 4 years old screaming because the child did not eat anything for 3 days. I asked the mother, why your child is crying like this? Well, we have no food for 3 days. I ran home, I got the food that was just throwing in my fridge and took it and went to give to the family. And I said, from now on, if your child is starving, you have to call me, I'll provide for you. I was a young lawyer that I'm working and helping and start opening my eyes around me, seeing the inequality that was existing in the Congo at that time. And it's still existing today because now the country is collapsing in a civil war. It's a different story. But I have left Congo in 2005, fleeing for my safety because as a human rights lawyer, I showcase violation of human rights throughout the years. So I was really afraid to stay in the I settled in the UK. In the UK with my husband came another story of domestic abuse and domestic violence, which I survived again.
Oh my word.
And
Mm.
then, and the reason why I left England to move to Scotland, because I was in a quest of peace.
Mm.
I needed peace after a difficult marriage. So that peace, I found it in Scotland, where again, no one around me, only me with 2 babies, 11 months and 2 years old,
My word,
that
Deborah.
I raised on my own for 20 years until this day.
20
Yeah.
years. If you just enjoyed that video, check out the longer version right here.